AMC is short squeezing to $100. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock at the moment, why it's your favorite stock at the moment, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you guys want to start trading AMC stock, then go ahead and get signed up with WeBull with the second link in our description. You're going to get 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $1,850. Alright guys, so we are finally seeing that AMC short squeeze that we all thought we would see sooner rather than later, and we are sitting at about $29 a share at the moment, I believe. You have $29 a share. We are going parabolic as we are trying to short squeeze these hedge fund managers. We did talk about AMC at about $15 a couple of days ago in our private Discord, talking about some resistance levels. So if you guys want to go join that private Discord, it's going to be the first link in our description. We talk about stocks and crypto in there. But anyways, today we're going to be talking about the AMC short squeeze. So here we have a article from Market Watch, and it says GameStop stalls even though it's still green for today. AMC soars in rare divergence. Short interest might hold the key. And AMC is shorted a ton right now, and we're going to get into that in a second. But anyways, and after posting almost identical charts for weeks, the two biggest names in meme stocks are no longer twinning. It appears that a familiar foe is behind the schism. That's a weird word. A stark and rare divergence was evident Thursday between the movement of shares in GameStop, just up 0.33%, and AMC up 50%. After moving in concert for most of April and May. Basically, AMC usually correlates with not Bitcoin. Been talking about crypto too much lately. GameStop. But basically, AMC is going crazy. Short interest for GameStop has fallen off since Thursday, while short interest in AMC has gone up. So basically, these short people who are trying to short all these stocks are a little bit more confident in GameStop staying where it is, while they don't think that AMC should be where it is at the moment. But yeah, so when there's more short interest, hedge fund managers are more likely to think that that stock is going to go down in the long term. I mean, that should be pretty easy to understand. But according to Ortex Analytics, short interest in GameStop stock fell off Thursday morning, while short interest was up slightly. The data reinforces this thesis widely held by the retail crowd that short sellers are still a major factor in their trade even after January's manic short squeeze caused panic and pain for the hedge funds against bull stocks. And then they go over some quotes from different Reddits that are trying to squeeze AMC to the moon. Hedges, real talk time. Reddit user peaked in the 80s posted, and then the first one of you to cover your shorts might be able to scrape it together enough shares to make it out alive. The other ones are effed. So I mean, obviously the people on Reddit don't know if this is going to happen, but they seem very confident that AMC is going to go to the freaking moon sooner rather than later. But anyways, let's go on to how much short interest is there. The short volume of AMC on May 26th, which was yesterday, is 114 million short volume. The day before, just 57. The day before that, 37. Obviously, the short volume is going up because the price of AMC keeps going up, and that means people think that, how much further could it really go? But retail investors are not messing around with AMC right now. So the short volume ratio is 30, which is, it's not the highest it's been, but the short volume is 114. So that is way higher than it's been in a very long time. Total volume shares, 378. It hasn't been that since May 13th, and it's still 25% more than it was May 13th. So short volume is insane right now, and we are just squeezing these short sellers to the freaking moon. So let's go and do some technical analysis. Here we are on WeBull. Usually I have to use coinmarketcap.com, and I don't get all my my indicators and stuff because we usually talk about crypto, but today we're talking about AMC. Obviously, we've sold off a bit since these highs, almost $30. We have a new resistance level, guys. We have a new resistance level at $30. These retail traders are just loading up again. But anyways, let's go over the past couple of days. So we had a resistance level at about 15 to 16 or $15.75 to about $16. We broke that resistance level and we made new support at about the $18 mark. We had this new resistance level at about $20 and we broke through that today. So as soon as we broke through that $20 resistance level for AMC, and then the MACD started trending upwards with the blue line crossing over the yellow line and the RSI going way above 45, we knew that this was about to break out. We made new support in the intraday for about $22, and we had a new resistance at about $23. Well, over the past hour, we have been going crazy, but now we have this huge red candlestick, and we have a new support at about $26. We'll see how much lower this will go in the next couple of minutes to an hour. But I'm assuming we are going to make a new support at around the $25 to $26 level. And now we have a new resistance at the $30 level. These shorts are going to have to cover at some point. I'm not sure how long they have to cover. Usually it's between a few days and a week. So, this short squeeze hasn't even begun yet. But what I'm looking at right now is a support at about $26 to $25. If we can keep that support at $25, we will be testing the resistance of $30 once again. And as soon as these shorts cover, we could be going parabolic. I don't want to make any predictions for where it's going to go because this thing could go above $100. It could go below $100. Either way, there is a lot of money that could be made here, and we are going to be happy with whatever goes on. Obviously, in the past few minutes, we have been seeing a little bit of correction. That's going to be, that's necessary when you go from about $22 to $30 in just a few hours. So we're going through a bit of a correction. I think it'll keep above this $26 to $25 level. If it does, we're just waiting for it to break this new resistance at $30 and waiting for these hedge fund managers to actually cover their short positions. But overall, we are looking super good as AMC investors. We've been doing really good over the past few days. Remember, in our private Discord for Finance Bro, we did talk about AMC at $16. If you guys want to join that private Discord, it's going to be the first link in the description. If you guys want to join WeBull so you can start trading AMC and get 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $1,850, then go ahead and click the second link in our description. And yeah, so if you guys want to do either of those things, that'd be awesome. That's pretty much going to be it for today. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And also consider turning on post notifications so you never miss a video on what's trending in personal finance. That's going to be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.